Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters, and happy Valentine's Day po sa inyo pong lahat. And joining us also in our Holy Eucharist this morning, we wish to welcome our sisters and brothers from the Christ the King Chapel of Rosewood, Bacoor, Cavite. Welcome po to the Manila Cathedral and happy pilgrimage po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po for celebrating the Valentine's Day here. Sa ating pong wikang Pilipino o Tagalog, hindi naman po nating binabati ang bawat isa ngayong araw na ito na maligayang araw ni San Valentino. Pero sa isang makabuluhang lengguwahe, binabati po natin ang bawat isa ng maligayang araw ng mga puso. It's not really Valentine's Day or Valentino sa Tagalog, pero binabati natin bawat isa ng maligayang araw ng mga puso. Dahil ang importante sa araw na ito, ay those moments that you will be sharing today or in the next days, meals, flowers, chocolates, letters, words, affections to one another, but the whole ingredient of everything, which is the heart. Kaya nga araw ng mga puso. But it is also defining how you are to use or how we are to use the heart today. And we are given two beautiful reminders and examples, and shall I say warning, if we are leaning on to the other and not to the other. Jeroboam, in our first reading, made use of his heart not to spread affection and the goodness of the Lord in the lives of these people. But from him and through him, people experience the wrongs and the weight of disobeying God, of coming up with a temple not really for the Lord, of choosing priests not from the Levite clan. Dahil sa puso niya, sa katigasan ng kanyang puso, naperwisyo ang mga tao din. But then we are given this story of Jesus' heart. When he saw the vast crowd, he thought of not leaving them. He thought of providing them something to eat. He thought of them as someone that would need his presence and would need his bread. Pinairal niya ang isang pusong tapat at totoong umiibig. Kaya po mga kapatid, sa araw na ito ng mga araw ng puso at sa mga susunod na araw, ito po yung magandang mga pamantayan. Baka ginagamit natin ang puso natin upang makapahamak at hindi para umibig ng totoo. We wish that our sense of loving and our sense of love, may that be the experience of these people. They all ate and were satisfied. That our loving satisfies and makes your eyes, your smiles, your heart indeed genuinely happy. Because we really felt someone has loved me that most. Kaya po paalaala ni Jesus sa atin na araw-araw, araw ng mga puso. Ang puso ginagamit araw-araw dahil nakapagpapasaya iyan at dahil nakapagbibigay iyan ng buhay. Let us take courage as well from Saint Cyril and Methodius, brothers by blood, but also brothers by mission, because they used their heart not to pin down people, but with their heart, they blazed the love of God through their preaching. And through that, the people were satisfied. The people were genuinely happy because these brothers truly loved and used their heart to express the goodness of God.